I'm gonna let this guy go, but he's good for dope and whatever else. I'm not citing for that tire, so if you ever see it again, he's good for that tire.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story features the Spokane Police Department and gives us an inside look at some of their deceitful practices and how those operations are intended to target certain citizens. This body cam is from the perspective of Officer Razey. In the video, he is training an officer during his probationary period on a traffic stop. The vehicle was pulled over for having no plates. During the stop, they found that the vehicle's registration had expired, had an issue with the temp tag, and the driver was driving without insurance. They also recognized that the man they've pulled over suffers from a drug dependency, which means they may luck out and get him on a felony charge on a future encounter. So to make it easier for themselves in the future, they've created a culture in which the officers agree not to issue citations for every violation, which gives them an opportunity to initiate a traffic stop on the individual whenever they see him.
Alright, thanks boss, appreciate it. One thing I like to do as well, that's what we never discussed, is say there's 11 things wrong with a car, right? So cite them for it. Or we'll say 4. Say there's 4 things wrong, I don't want to say 11. Alright? I don't always cite for all 4, because I like to leave something for my friends. Alright, so like that tire, I'll leave the tire alone. Right, because then I'll tell my partner, hey, just so you know, I'm gonna let this guy go, but he's good for dope and whatever else. I'm not citing for that tire, so if you ever see it again, he's good for that tire. Right? I would do that with my gang members or my dealers. Like if I stop him for something, if I was gonna cite him for something, I wouldn't cite him for everything. The reason why you stopped him is the key thing, right? Is no plates, right? Or expired reg, either one. I could care less. A temp tag and no vault. And insurance. You want to throw insurance on there? Go for it. There's 4 things right there. Okay?
This evidence suggests that the Spokane Police Department isn't concerned with road safety, protecting the community, or serving those dealing with afflictions. It shows officers teaching each other to conspire within their ranks against the citizens they've sworn to serve, and is a result on the failed war on drugs. The field training officer in the video probably didn't come up with the idea of targeting citizens and allowing them to travel under unsafe driving conditions with the rest of the public himself. These dangerous ideas evolved over time and have become the culture within the police department. This culture has likely been the norm for such a long time that even if the rookie questioned the ethics of it, he would likely not expose it in fear of retaliation or termination during his probationary period. Even if you think they're doing it to target people you feel should be targeted, it's wrong. It's conspiratorial and keeps dangerous drivers on the road, putting the ones that are not targeted at an even greater risk. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.